Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all my student thinking scale UUW 322. Okay, today we go to the topic 8, and the topic 8 will talk about the problem solving and decision making. Okay, in our life every day we got a problem. Maybe you say you have no problem, but you have no problem, that one is the problem for you actually. Okay, so how to solve that problem? And maybe you need to make some decision making to choose which one do you want. Okay, so now today we will talk about it. Okay, so we go to the slide number 1. Okay, in the picture you can see two person. That one person is about the PTPTN. You know PTPTN in Malaysia is one of the department who give the loan for the student for to continue the studies. Okay, so the others one is maybe that picture will on behalf of you lah. Okay, that one is yours. So after you graduate, what you have to do and what your problem? Okay, so the big problem is to looking for a job. Okay, you need a money. So how to get the money? With a job. So you have to make some decision. What kind of job you can take? What kind of job you can do? What kind of job is prefer for you? Okay, so all that question exists in your life. Okay, what is the decision making? Decision making is closely related to the problem solving. Okay, sometimes difficult to distinguish, and there is also confused, and that both is the same skill. Okay, decision making and problem solving skills are two different things and has its own unique. Okay, so you have to know if you got some problem, if you get something trouble in your life, you have to know what is the best solution for that problem. So you need to choose decision making or problem solving. Okay, problem solving to solve that problem, but at the same time you have to make decision which one is the best for that problem. Okay, so now we are in the pandemic issues about the COVID-19. So how to solve the problem? The government say you have to stay at home, okay, and follow all the SOP, standard operation procedure. Okay, so at the same time you can make decision, right? You want to stay at home and do something reliable for yourself, for your study, or you just want to see the movie. Yeah, there's a lot you can do in this time at the MCO issues. So what the decision you can make in this pandemic? Okay, that is the big question in your mind. Okay, before we go to in depth for this chapter, we have some maybe just like a quiz or something like quiz lah. Okay, mind boost number 1, decision making or problem solving. Okay, so you have to guess lah. You have to guess this problem solving or decision making. Okay, mind boost number 1 say, imagine you are double badminton player in your college. You and your friend have moved to other college. Who will be your new partners that will be invited to work with you? Okay, so this is problem solving or decision making. Maybe some of you say this is a problem solving because we have a problem because my friend already moved to another college, so I have to solve this problem. But some of you maybe agree this is the decision making. Why you say decision making? Because you have a chance to choose who is a new of your partner in this badminton game. So for you as a student, this is decision making or problem solving. Think about it. Next, mind boost number 2. Okay, Ahmad since too many popular food selling in the college cafeteria. With just 5 ringgit, what food can he buy? Okay, problem solving, decision making. Maybe you still don't get it. Okay, Ahmad have 5 ringgit. So he already solved the problem about the money because he have a money, right? So in this situation, he just need to choose, make a decision. Maybe he want to eat something like noodle, maybe fries, maybe chicken fries, maybe nasi lemak or whatever. So in this situation is about the decision making, not problem solving, because the problem is already done with the money. Okay, maybe you can get it now. Okay, we go to the next. Mind boost number 3. A teenagers involved in drug try to best to get the right path. So this is problem solving, decision making. This is about the problem solving because he in the drug abuse. Okay, in drug abuse situation. So he have to solve the problem first, and after that can make a decision. And number 4, mind boost number 4, you have an appointment with your friend. Okay, the situation, you have an appointment with your friend, you are late, your car keys are missing. What should you do? You missing your car keys, so you have to solve the problem. How? You look for another keys? No need. Just take a Grab car, maybe bus, maybe you can take a taxi, maybe. Yeah, there's a lot of solution for this problem. Okay, then after that you make a decision. Okay, so what is the difference about problem solving and decision making? Okay, decision making can be defined as a mental process involving the person choosing the best option for a number of options available based on the purpose and specific criteria. And meanwhile, solving problem is a mental process to overcome the barrier faced by specific goals and criteria. Okay, please try to understand this difference about 2 statements. Okay, because this is very important and always come out in the quiz.